In this video, we would like to show you how to perform a shaving ritual at home. It is important to note that this type of classic shave offers better benefits for the skin. The simple fact of using a blade mounted on a conventional safety razor allows us to shave more in fewer strokes. Multi-blade razors have a lower cutting edge, which means more irritation due to having to go over the same area several times. In this particular case, our model has long hair, so he will use a band to keep the hair back. First, we will reduce the hair in the beard to remove excess volume. To do this, we use a clipper with adjustable blade. Once we have achieved the desired length, we will proceed to use a trimmer to define the contours of the sideburns or, for example, the moustache. Next, we will use a hot towel, although this step could be omitted as long as the shave is done after a hot shower. If we decided to use a towel, it should be of medium size, approximately 40 x 80 centimeters and 100% cotton. The towel should be very warm but not scalding. We will put the towel on the face and we will hold it for about a minute, exerting a soft pressure. We will repeat this step a second time to open the pores of the skin even more and soften the hair of the beard. Next, we prepare the shaving solution. It would be interesting to apply a pre-shaving product for those who have rather dry or sensitive skin. Andrea, our model, has oily skin, so it is not absolutely necessary to use a pre-shave product. However, properly preparing the shaving soap is crucial to achieve a close but pleasant shave. We will use a synthetic hair shaving brush. Among other things, this prevents animals from being used for such purposes. With this type of brushes, the water flow is less than on a natural hair brush, so we will have to drain less water. We will load the brush with shaving soap and then work on the shaving bowl. In this way, we will achieve a light and creamy foam, which is easy to spread but, at the same time, gives us an optimum protective layer on our face. Remember that shaving is nothing more than an aggression to the skin. Therefore, we will make sure to apply the shaving soap properly by using the shaving brush. First, in circular movements, then with horizontal and/or vertical gestures. Once the application is finished, we will proceed to the actual shaving. It is very important to make a first stroke in the same direction of the hair growth. It is therefore essential to analyze how our beard grows before starting. Shaving must be well organized, and for this reason we will work in panels, starting from the right side. We will perform a gentle stretch of the skin from the top of the sideburn. We will advance by shaving to the jawbone. Then, we will shave under the maxillary bone, starting from the base of the neck towards the lower jaw. As we can see in the images, we will continue stretching the skin during the whole process. Next, we will perform the same process on the opposite side, first from above and then from below. As you can see in the video, the angle of inclination of the blade should be around 30 degrees. If we raise the blade more, we are more likely to cut ourselves, and if we lower the angle, we will barely shave our hair. Once we reach the chin area, we will shave from the outside to the inside, keeping in mind that we will continue to shave following the hair growth. Once we have finished our first stroke, we will lather our face once more, this time applying a smaller amount of product as we have less hair to shave on this occasion. We will proceed to shave with the grain, which, depending on each individual, may vary, since the hair growth of the beard is different in each case. When we finish this step, we will use a towel, in this case moistened with cold water. We will apply it on the face to refresh the skin and also remove any excess product. It is important to carry out this gesture delicately so as not to irritate the skin. Next, apply an alcohol-free aftershave moisturizer. When doing this step, the product should be applied so that it is absorbed by the skin. There is no need for a massage, just a gentle application. We will finish this step with a cold towel on the face to close the pores of the skin for approximately 1 minute. To conclude our ritual at home, we can use a vigorous aftershave splash. These products are formulated with alcohol, so the application should be done by slapping the face. In this way, we will avoid the product giving us a burning sensation. The aftershave splash disinfects the skin and makes it look smoother. These products have a very manly aroma and awaken memories of our grandparents' time. And finally, we will review our work. You will surely enjoy the experience at home. Try it out and don't forget to share your comments. We hope we have contributed with something new in this video. See you in future episodes and thanks for watching.